How to cancel your Squarespace subscription. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now the first thing that I will need you to do is, if you want to export anything at all, make sure you take the chance right now before you cancel to do so, because otherwise the dashboard is no longer going to be available and you're not going to be able to do it after you cancel and close your store. So ensure that you do so by going to settings. For example, if you want to export your blogs and text, click on settings, go to website and scroll down until you find import and export content. Click on export and just export using WordPress. Okay, this is number one. Number two is the domains. So if you did actually get a domain within Squarespace themselves, make sure you transfer it first if you wanted to keep it alive, or just basically turn it off completely from here before you actually exit as well. So once those two things are done and dealt with, and by the way, you can even export your products and so on using CSV. So it's, make sure to do that if you want to. So once all of these things are done, you are just going to cancel your subscription by clicking on settings, and you just want to click on billing right underneath down here, and you should be able to find subscriptions. Simply click on that. And now you're just going to find the active subscriptions that you have. You simply just want to select it and click on cancel subscription. Now it's going to give you two different options, I believe. The first one is going to be keeping the store or website, alive until the time hits, and it's just not going to auto renew for you. Or the other one, which is just terminate the account right away, just going to cancel it right away. It's going to be immediate. So it's going to look something like this with the trial. So click on cancel and cancel it. And obviously they're going to also give you a questionnaire. So they're going to ask you, why did you cancel? So answer that and you're pretty much good to go. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.